are at our grandparents' house. It's nighttime on the.
We'll just explain what happened. We came here at 6.
We arrived here at like 7:20. There was these really annoying dumb kids following us.
8 or 9 then. Pretty much what happens is
And,
this kid in like a blue sweater and
He was the worst.
he kept just bothering us and following us. He was like 12 and he was like
Then at one
here
point,
to me.
they're coming in our property and throwing sticks at us.
And then
Then
we started flipping them off and telling them to
because
get away.
we just kept telling them to go, and they just wouldn't listen, and it was just such a waste of our time. Because every time they would go get your grandfather, go get your grandfather. I don't know. Is this Pac-Man? Kind of looks like Pac-Man.
What is it?
This kind of looks like Pac-Man.
Yeah, it does.
But that's kind of the whole thing summed up.
And then after that, we were kind of getting along.
Not with those stupid ones. I don't care about those ones because they were calling us like names that I'm not gonna say right now.
You should eat.
And I just kind of want to get the old feeling back. So, but I don't feel like we're sleeping over. And I don't want to do like stuff like that again. Like going and talking to all this stupid. Oh, this is the first thing I was gonna film. Look how many waters.
You can barely see.
Oh, no, you can see. Look how much water's in there. There is a lot. And there's more in the fridge, and there's a few in here. Not many, but a few.
Oh my, does it have?
Oh, never mind. There's 3 big jugs down there. Oh, 4. Oh, never mind that. There's 2 more jugs here too.
Never mind that.
Oh, never mind all of that. One, 2, 4. There's a lot in here too. I don't know what that is. Oh, there's a cat. Okay.